kick back here, and your left knee gonna come up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Your ball change is left, right. So you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. And you can try it again. 1 and 2. So you're gonna start with the right leg down, left knee up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so on the 1, left knee up, 3, the right knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Tatiana's gonna stay facing front. I'm gonna go sideways so you guys see what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's do it again, this time all the way to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good? So this is the drill that you gotta do when in our routine. We have a little section of this, because if you don't drill this, it's gonna be hard to do the entire routine. So drill this just by itself. Okay? Let's do it one more time together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7,